We're going to take you on an adventure where we will set up a tent in the middle of Swiss wilderness and whip up some delicious and yummy Thai dishes together. So get ready for a tasty experience. Welcome back to SwizSiam, today with wild camping and cooking Thai food in Switzerland. I'm thirsty.
We are in the area for camping, and before we just see it a little bit because before we drive the car for a long time, right around 2 hours. Yeah, and we eat the sheep a little bit, and now the time for cook dinner. And I'm very hungry now. We will cook Thai food at here. It is our first experience for me to cook Thai food at here. Yeah, here is a beautiful view with the mountain, and we camping in the nature in Switzerland today. Let's go to prepare together.
This is a nice place for stay this night in the middle of the forest beside a small river. And now it's time to eat something, for cook something. So let's go.
I will prepare the equipment for cook dinner.
Oh. Pad Kra Pao in the Swiss Alps. Huh?
Yeah.
Wow.
So the rice. Yeah.
อร่อย อร่อยมากค่ะเผ็ดมากๆ Now it's 9:30. It's still very bright. There we can see the moon. It's a little bit purple in the sky. The sun goes down to the evening around maybe 8:30. And now we enjoy the evening. We eat. Later we can see the stars. Camping is really nice. Now drink a tea, a hot tea.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Feel better.
Cheers.
Cheers. Now the time is around 11, and we will go to sleep tonight now at here, and we will say good night. We will see us tomorrow morning. Yeah.
Yeah.
Cheers. Bye bye. Good night.
Good morning.
Good morning. Now the time is around 5:30 morning. Yeah, we will begin the day together.
The temperature maybe is around 8 degrees. It's a little bit, the air is a little bit wet. You can feel, also the tent inside is wet, but yeah, we will prepare and time for make a coffee.
Wow. Oh, it looks yummy. Smell very good. Good? Or can be nice?
10 more. Look at this nature behind us. But now we are ready to leave.
We will go back home.
Go back home soon.
And yeah, I'm happy today and thank you for the nature today that give the place for us to sleep here, give the water for us, and yeah, I'm happy to camping at here.
I hope you guys enjoy too. This is a different video we do. We try some different stuff.
Yeah.
I hope you enjoy. When you enjoy, you can give us a thumbs up. Also subscribe.
And also can comment on our video that what you like and what you want. We can show you more in Switzerland or in Thailand too. Yeah. And now we will say goodbye and see us later. Cheers.
Ciao, ciao.